is time. It's time for the light round. That's Rob from the folks. Name is Doc. Said about buys, about the subject. Got no course. Stock was said. Don't miss tip for his preference. So how you play this out. And then the lightning round is over. Are you ready? Steve, Daddy, time for the lightning round. Let's start with Justin in Maryland. Justin.
Hey, Jim. How are you?
I'm good, Justin. How you doing?
Pretty good, pretty good.
What do you got for me?
So I was calling today because I want your take on mortgage REITs. With the potential of falling interest rates, I read that this benefits these
anyone
companies.
in particular?
I'm sorry, what?
Any mortgage REIT in particular?
AGNC.
No, I don't like agency. I think you're going to find over time you're just going to get your money. You get the dividend. You're never sure what they really own. It is not a growth vehicle. I like growth. Now we're going to go to Ian in Florida. Ian.
Hey, booyah, Jim. How you doing?
Booyah. I'm doing well, Ian. How about you?
I'm doing excellent, Jim. Thank you. Jim, I want to ask you a question about a stock that's really been beat up for a while now, but it's starting to make a comeback. What do you think about UNH here?
Okay, UNH reminds me, I don't want to say analogize too much to Google, but, you know, when the government gets involved, you do get very, very nervous if something's really wrong. But UnitedHealth has been going up. If there's something really wrong, I think the CEO at this point would have disclosed it. They did talk about the rankings today. The rankings are good. What can I say? I don't like to buy stocks that are under investigation, but it does seem to be that, well, I don't want to say the worst is over because it might not be, but there are some people who seem to know that the worst is over. How about that? And that, ladies and gentlemen, conclusion of the Lightning Round.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on X. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadMentions. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.